If you're tired of fighting, peeling, flaking, blistering, and hazing over finishes on high sun exposure areas with your wood front door, then hey, you're at the right place. Today we're going to be talking about natural penetrating oil finishes that do not do this. But first, if you don't want this to happen, then don't use this. This is the most common door finish in America, and it's fine if you don't have high sun exposure, but in high sun exposure areas, you're going to get that feeling and flaking in that photo that we just saw. So, if you want this type of door that'll last decades with only minimal maintenance, then what you need are these high penetrating oil blended finishes we're going to be talking about in this video. And so let's look at what they're made up of. Why are they blended? They're blended with pigments, UV inhibitors, oils, solvents, and resins. We're going to talk about each one of those right now. First of all, pigments. And for exterior finishes, you use pigments, not dyes. Pigments are ground up rock. That's why they last a lot longer than dyes. Secondly, you need UV inhibitors. These reflect the sun's ultraviolet rays and keep your finish lasting lots longer. Then you have oils. The two types of oils that are in these products are linseed and tung. Now, if you just have these oils, they will evaporate immediately. So when you have the exterior usage, you also need resin. If you have too much resin, it's not going to penetrate into the wood, and it's going to be brittle, just like the Helmsman spar urethane. So resin is very critical that we don't go too much resin, but we do have enough so that the oils do not evaporate. Now, to keep everything moving and liquid and fluid, you need solvents. Now, in the cheaper brands, you're going to get more solvents than oil because solvents is cheaper than oil. So let's look at now, coming up, some examples. But first, I want to just mention that, look, if you don't have some of these in your local area, then look for oil blends that are used for fences, siding, decks, and especially log homes. And if you're not sure if it's oil, it doesn't say whether it's oil or water, look at how you clean it up. If you clean it up with mineral spirits or paint thinner, then you know you have an oil-based finish. First of all, let's look at Mesmer's UV Plus. This is a really good high-quality finish, and it also has trans oxides, which means the colors are very, very rich. So this is one to think of. You can get this at Benjamin Moore. The next one we're going to look at is Cabot. Cabot has Australian timber oil, which is a really good oil, and you can get this at Menards, Lowe's, and Ace True Value Hardware. Now, the thing about Cabot is they've been reformulating some of their products, so do not use the ones with a blue label. These are water-based. These are not oil. Okay, the next one we're going to talk about is Armstrong Clark. Now, you can get this also at Benjamin Moore and sometimes True Value Ace Hardware. Very good quality finish for oil. The next one we're going to look at is Sickens. Now, Sickens is a product you can find at Best Marine Hardware. You can also find it at Benjamin Moore. Very good quality oil product. Now, these next four, I haven't used that much myself, but I just wanted to bring them up because they're available locally, and I hope they are in your area as well. First one is Penofin. Penofin comes in about 5 different varieties. The dark blue can is water-based, so I encourage you not to use that. The next one is Olympic. Olympic Maximum, which is another good quality oil. You can get this one at also Benjamin Moore. Now, the next 2 coming up you can get at Home Depot. These are Bear, Deck Plus. Remember I said look for products that are used on exterior surfaces like decks. This is a good oil-based product. Again, you find this at Home Depot. And the last one we have here is Preservawood, which is also found at Home Depot. So these are all good quality finishes that you can find at these local stores, at least in the area here in Denver.